Okay, let's get started. So I would like to welcome you all to this Microsoft Intune training session. Today is day one. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about Microsoft Intune, and then I will help you to start setting up your Intune lab. Okay. So first of all, let me take you to this slide which talks about Microsoft Intune. So Microsoft Intune is basically going to help you to manage devices, MDM and MAM, to manage mobile device and mobile applications. So as Intune administrator, you will be creating policies and everything in Intune portal, and that policy will go inside this Microsoft Intune server, and from the server, the policy will get applied to the devices. So we have like Windows devices, Windows 10, Windows 11, MacBook, then Android, iPhone, Windows Phone, plus Linux devices. So you can manage these kind of devices. You can deploy policies, device inventory, device wipe, application push, device configuration, etc. There are various other things which we do in Intune. Similarly, you can manage mobile applications, for example, Outlook. So you can define policy of that application, then app access, data transfer, data protection policy, app wipe, app configuration. So basically, as Intune administrator, you will be creating policies for mobile applications in Intune portal, and that policy will go to the Microsoft Intune server, and from the server, it will get applied on the applications. So you as Intune administrator will be doing mobile device management and mobile application management. So this Intune is going to help you to control all your devices, no matter where the devices are located. And you can also deploy policies for the applications in the mobile devices like Android and iPhone. Now, as Intune administrator, you will be controlling the devices all over the globe, no matter where the devices are located, right? So all the devices will be in your control. Okay, you can deploy application updates, policies, and everything to the enterprise devices. Now, Intune services are running on Azure Cloud Data Center. So Azure Cloud Data Center is present in more than 60 countries now. So when you create your Intune subscription, let's say if you are in Australia or India or China, wherever you are, the chances are very high that your account will get created in the nearest location, right? In the nearest data center. So Intune services are running on Azure Cloud Data Center in the cloud itself. You don't have to install Intune server in your office premises. It's not like that. It is like SaaS kind of architecture, software as a service, just like Gmail. You take the subscription and you start sending and receiving emails. Same concept here. Okay. The only thing is you have to pay for it. Then Intune, basically Intune services are running in Azure Cloud Data Center. So this is the outside view of the data center. Now this is the inside view of the data center. So inside you have containers, right? These are the containers, and we have racks and high configured servers here. In each rack you have high configured servers, and you have connection like power cable and network connections are there. So Intune services are running in these containers. That's the inside view of the data center. Now this is the Intune architecture. So when you create your account, you get web console access, and from there you do configuration and reporting, and from there you do the configuration in Graph API. I mean, Graph API is a communication bridge between you and Intune services in the backend. So Graph API will take all the information, whatever the configuration you would like to do, and it will pass on to Intune services in the backend. And then it will do configure devices, protect data, and manage application based on your requirement. Intune has integration with Microsoft Entra ID, It has integration with SCCM, App Store, like Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Defender, Microsoft 365, right? Intune can manage devices, manage applications, deploy updates, Windows Autopilot, Endpoint Analytics, Intune Data Warehouse, Log Analytics, Intune Suite. So many things are available in this one, and you don't have to do anything in this architecture because this is all done and maintained by Microsoft. Microsoft is the one who is managing all these things. They will be adding more and more features. They will be retiring some features. You just have to utilize the product. It's a SaaS architecture. Intune has competitors. Some tiny competitors are there, but Intune is like present in almost all big size and medium size organization. People are moving from these competitors towards Intune. We have already discussed in the last demo session why Intune is the best choice for organization, because it is easy to deploy. It has integration with Microsoft other products, unified management. It's a SaaS architecture. It is very cheap, right? It will cost you only $8 per user per month. Okay, $8 per user per month. Cross-platform support is there. Automation and efficiency. Your employee can work from anywhere. Comprehensive device management, security, and compliance features are there. Configuration profile, you can deploy configuration to make some changes in the devices. Complete application lifecycle is present. Then conditional access, it has more enhanced feature than its competitors. Then simplify device enrollment and provisioning, updates and innovation. These are the things why Intune is the best choice for organization um, to be implemented rather than different competitors. Now, why Intune is best choice for you to learn, why you should learn Intune. Point number one, it is a matured technology for the past 15 years. This is being utilized all over the globe. It's implemented in almost all big size and medium size organization. And that is the reason you have good vacancies, good salary. It is very simple to learn for you, since you guys are already in IT world. So it is more simpler for you to but anyone who is from IT or non-IT background can easily learn this one because we don't need any coding and any programming languages here. Online resources are available and you have good career path in Microsoft Intune. Licensing is there. You need to purchase license in order to utilize this in production environment. You have to have either Microsoft 365 license or a standalone license or enterprise mobility plus security license. If you are using this standalone license, it's going to cost you $8 per user per month. Okay. Now, in our training, which we have started from today onwards, so we will do theory plus practical, right? We will do assignment. I'll give you assignment every almost daily basis when we start our practical, and assignment will be based on real-time scenario, which when you join any organization, so you will not face challenges because the examples will be as per the requirement. After the training, if you would like to take exam, MD102 is the code and you become certified. The exam cost is this one, 4,865 Indian rupees. So what all things you are going to get in this training? You are going to get daily recording, Intune study material, sample resume, interview question and answers, exam dumps, and course completion certificate. Now, so this is the main part. From here, we have to start. So each one of you, you need to have minimum configuration on your computer. So I hope everyone, you guys are using a laptop or a desktop. either it's Windows or MacBook, you need to have a laptop or a desktop so that you will be able to do practical. So in your computer, you need to have Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Mac OS. Okay, MacBook. 8 GB RAM is required minimum, 4 logical processor is needed, and 100 GB free hard disk space is required. So this is the minimum requirement for you to start the Microsoft Intune lab. You need to have a Visa or a Master credit card or debit card and one Android or iOS mobile phone. Now, what is our concept here? The concept is we will create Intune free trial account. Intune, and that we have a free trial account. Now, free trial we get for 30 days. Okay. Plus, we will extend that to another 30 days. The total we will have 60 days free trial. Okay. 60 days free trial is there. Now, in that 60 days, we will be enrolling some devices and we'll be deploying policies and applications and updates and all to see how it goes. So basically in your laptop, we will create one virtual machine here, a new machine we will create, and that machine will be controlling from Intune. Okay. We'll be controlling that machine. We'll be deploying policies. We'll be deploying applications. We'll be deploying updates. We'll be upgrading that machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. All those things we will be performing from Intune. Plus, we'll be supply some policies, not many, but some policies here on your Android or iOS devices. If you have any spare device, which you can format or reset, factory reset, it's well and good. So you need one mobile device and one computer to do the practical. Okay. And the minimum configuration of the device is this one: 8 GB RAM, 4 logical processor, 100 GB hard disk space, free hard disk space. So everyone, you have to search. I hope everyone is using Windows machine. Anyone using MacBook here? No one?
No, no, no. I'm logging with Windows itself, so I can.
Okay. In Windows device, you everyone, what you need to do is you need to search down at the bottom in the search box. You need to type in system information. Okay, the system information will come on the top. You need to click on that and then check the operating system. What is your operating system of the device? Windows 10 or Windows 11? I got Windows 11, so I don't know. You have to check at your end. And if it is Windows 10 or Windows 11, then it is fine. Second thing is you need to check the processor. So the processor is 8 logical processor I have. I got 8 logical processor, but the minimum requirement is 4 logical processor. Okay. So even if you have 4 logical processor, that's okay. It's not mandatory to have 8 logical processor. Minimum requirement is 4 logical processor. Then the memory, and that is installed physical memory RAM, and that is 32 GB RAM is present in this machine. But the minimum requirement for you to have is 8 GB RAM. Okay. So three things you have to check. First is the operating system name. Second is the processor. And third is the installed physical memory. Okay. So those three things are needed. Then the next thing is you have to check the hard disk size. Okay. Hard disk size. How much space is there? Yeah, how much free space is there in your hard disk. So you need to come to this PC and take a look whether you have um, a minimum 100 GB free space in any of these drives, either in C drive or D drive or E drive, whatever the drives you have. Make sure at least one drive has minimum 100 GB free space. Okay, everyone has the minimum configuration.
Yes.
Anyone who does not have it?
No, all good with me too.
Okay, so looks like everyone has the minimum configuration. The configuration I told you, minimum, the operating system should be Windows 10 or Windows 11. Processor should be 4 logical processor minimum, and 8 GB RAM minimum, and 100 GB hard disk space is required. Okay, good. So today, Notepad. 1 minute. Let me create one. Instead of doing that, I will create one online Word document drive, and drive MECM. Okay, I will open a new document. So new drive MECM, and new, and then Google Docs. Create and share. Okay, Intune notes. Intune notes. Okay, for December batch. Okay, for this Intune notes. Okay, so I'm gonna make it bigger, and this one, and like this. Okay. So it's gonna be Intune December 2025 weekend, 7 a.m. Okay, start date. Today is 30th November 2025. Can you Pragna, right? Soumya, is that spelling correct?
Yes, yes. That is correct.
And Sujata,
Yes.
right? Now, you also need to send me your Gmail ID. Gmail, it has to be Gmail ID. Um, Send it to me on this chat window so that I can share this notes with everyone. Okay. send your Gmail ID here. Did you send? Hmm? Are you guys sending your Gmail ID?
I'm sending just 1 minute.
Yeah, give me a minute.
I have
Can I
sent
give you?
mine. Yeah.
Can I
Sorry?
give you Outlook?
I I have sent mine.
Gmail ID, not Outlook, because I
Yeah,
need to.
I have sent the Gmail one.
Yeah, yeah. So I need to share this with everyone. So I'm gonna copy link. Okay. I think I can share with everyone restricted. Oh, let me just share copy link and done. Okay. I'm gonna send it to you guys. Did you guys receive the notes link?
Yes.
Okay, save this link. Okay. Every day we will use this link to access the to put some notes, okay, on daily basis. I mean, not daily basis, but on weekend. Okay. So now today is 30th November. Topics. Okay. Now today what we have done is point number one is Intune overview. We have discussed about Intune. Point number two is um, check system information. Point number three is download important files. Important files. So we need to download some files. Okay, what all files we need to download? Basically, we need to download VMware workstation. We need to download Windows 10 ISO image file. Okay, and we need to download some extra files. Okay, so we have to download these things. VMware workstation. Why do we need that one? To build Windows 10 machine, to create virtual machine. Have you guys used any virtual machine before, like
Yes,
on
I
VMware?
did.
Okay,
I
you have
did.
done. Very good.
No, sir, I have not.
Okay, fine. So basically, that will help you to create virtual machine. VMware. Either you go with VMware, or you go with Hyper-V, or you go with um, Oracle VirtualBox. Just like in Azure, we can create virtual machines and we can connect to connect to those virtual machines. But what we are going to do is we are going to create a virtual machine inside our laptop so that we can control that machine from Intune. We'll be supplying policies, we'll be supplying applications and all. We need a new machine basically. So either it's a physical machine or virtual machine. Okay. So we need a new, altogether a new machine. So you need to go to uh, a website. Okay, I'm gonna put it here and you can take it from there. Okay, so tinyurl.com/links for MECM. Okay, that's the link. https://. Okay, so you can copy this one and put it in your Google browser. It's gonna take you to this one. this Google Sheet. Okay, so you will get this Google Sheet wherein you have to download a few things from here. So you need to scroll down and go to point number, I mean row number 124. 124 is VMware Workstation. Okay, now in VMware Workstation, you have this option called um, VMware Workstation. You have a link, right? You need to click on that link and then choose download. Okay, download, and then choose download anyway. So that's the first thing you have to do, that you need to download VMware Workstation. Understood? Clear?
Yes. Kashif, would you mind sharing that link in the chat, like in
Which
the
link?
chat session? The tiny URL one?
It's there in this portal, no?
Okay, okay, I haven't like linked this one yet, so
Yeah, a copy. I sent it to you.
yeah.
Okay, so you need to download um VMware Workstation. Okay, and that is point number, I mean row number 124. Done? And also you need to download this 126. Windows 10 Pro ISO image file. You need to download this one as well. So click on this Windows 10 ISO Pro and then choose download. And then click on download anyway. So
So
far clear?
are we going to work on like Windows 10 machine, or like are we going to update it to Windows 11 later on in the VMware?
That is the main purpose. We are going to install Windows 10 now, and then we
Mm-hmm.
will upgrade that machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Uh, I open links to download. is open, but it has only 153 lines.
So 153. We are in 124 and 126 now.
124.
124 is VMware Workstation. You need to click on that one and download. Then 126 is Windows 10 ISO Pro. Download that one. Got it?
124 and 126.
Hmm.
So it is a direct link. We have to click. I have to click it, right, sir?
Direct link. You have to click on the direct link, right?
Okay.
Now, if it is getting difficult for you to
Yeah. Can
see,
you see my screen and help me out?
so what you can share your screen. What I'm saying is, if it is getting difficult for you to see and to see on the meeting screen and do side by side, then you can join this meeting from mobile or different computer. So on that machine, you can see what is going on in the meeting, and on side by side, you can do the same thing on your computer. Understood?
Yeah.
Or if you have two monitors, then it is well and good. You can put one monitor, one. I mean, you can keep the meeting
Okay.
session on one monitor and you can do this things on the other monitor. So 124, you need to download VMware Workstation, and 125. You can share your screen. Okay, I'll stop sharing. You share your screen.
I click on share, then present. Should I go and click the present?
You need to click on screen.
Okay.
Okay, just
Clicked
below
on.
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And yes, I can see your screen. So you
Yeah.
have to download the 124 thing.
124.
Click on the 124 link or copy the link. Copy the 124 link. I think you are not clicking on 124. Click on that one. Now that's 124. Click on that.
This here.
Click on that.
It's a download.
Yeah, download.
Download anyway.
Download anyway. So Pragnya and Soumya, have you downloaded VMware Workstation and Windows 10 Pro?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
installing
I did.
VMware Workstation, but whereas the Windows 10, it is taking time to download the ISO file. So yeah, just waiting for that to download.
Okay, so you are installing VMware Workstation or downloading?
Yes, I'm installing it. I have already downloaded and just installing it, like it's on the last step at the moment.
Okay, Soumya,
Yeah, download downloading is completed. ISO image is in process.
okay.
I did not install anything yet. Actually, I think we need to do it in a specific folder or something like that, right?
That's okay. Just wait for a few more seconds and we will install it on Sujata's machine. Then you can follow along.
So this is 124. It is download is going on.
Mm,
What next I should click, sir?
126.
Should I do it simultaneously?
Don't do that. Just wait for this to get
Okay.
completed.
So download complete, it is showing.
Hmm.
This
Double
is.
double click on that one. Oh, what is your system information?
System, it is saying VMware installation launcher.
Yes.
Yes, no, yes.
Yes. No, I was asking memory and processor. You have already
Oh,
checked.
those parts are I checked and those are good, but I'm stuck at somewhere else, some other point that is, um, I am looking for, sir, will you advise something for credit card for, I need to buy credit card.
No, you can use debit card as well. No? You have debit card.
Actually, my base was Pune, but I relocated with my husband to USA.
Mm-hmm.
So I do not have right now. I cannot use my previous means Pune one.
You can use your Pune one, or you can ask your husband to put his credit card details.
Or can I
Anything.
order it virtual card something for $10, something like that?
I don't know if you that will work or not. You can try that. So basically,
Okay.
you have to use
You
it
are
on.
not confident in that for virtual card?
I don't think so because I have not used it. Generally, we have used the physical card because
Mhm.
Microsoft will verify the card, for payment purpose. So you have to
Okay.
give your credit card or debit card details there.
Okay. So India one, I'll try with India card.
Yeah, India one will also work. Okay. If
Okay.
it is Visa
Oh,
or Master, anything Visa or Master will work.
okay. Sure.
Okay. So click on it's getting down and installed. Now click on the icon which is blinking down at the bottom.
Here,
Ah,
this one.
click on that. Now go next.
The I accept.
Accept. Next. 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 Install.
Sir, whatever you are teaching, sir, same command will be different for Mac, right, sir? MacBook.
MacBook, you need to install VMware Fusion, not this one, VMware Workstation. Yeah.
Sir, why we need this virtual? Why not my machine directly um, use, sir?
You can directly use, but we will be deploying policies like to block camera in your machine, to wipe out, factory reset your computer. So your machine will, everything will get deleted in your device.
Okay,
So that's
okay.
the reason we need a new machine, brand new machine. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
so
So this is a way to create
yes.
brand new machine. Okay.
Setup
Uh,
cannot copy this. Either the location specified below is corrected or changed. Click on retry.
retry.
Retry. Hmm, okay. Ensure the location specified below is correct. or change it and insert the disk. Okay. Um, okay, go to this location, click on browse. Yeah, choose this. Can you take it little right hand side to see the behind message? What is that? Take it little right hand side.
Okay. Like this?
Very good. VMT bridge. Okay, so choose this. The last option, vmnet bridge.dll. The last
VMware works. This one.
vmnet, yeah,
DLL.
yes,
Should I click on DLL?
yes. And then click on open below. Take it at the left hand side first. Click on open and then retry. Okay, cancel. Click on cancel. Cancel. Installing virtual. Can you down at the bottom? There are many icons which you can remove. Like right click on snipping tool. Firefox. Right click on Firefox. Unpin. Unpin. Then right click on this snipping tool and unpin. Okay. Right click and unpin. Okay, that's it. Now click on cancel. I think there is some problem with the installation. Cancel this. Yes. Click on finish. Okay, minimize this. In the search box, type in VMware workstation.
Sorry. In the search. This is correct, right?
No, not there.
In Explorer?
Down at the bottom, you need to click on search icon.
Here. Okay. VMware. Should I click here?
No, the below one, VMware Workstation Pro. You need to click on that one, VMware Workstation Pro.
There's so many already open. Yeah.
Did you guys install? Pragnya and Soumya?
Yes.
And you need to now download that one, Windows 10 ISO image
Yeah,
file.
I'm done.
Yeah, even I'm done with the ISO file, so looks like it has installed. Oh, sorry, it's
Yeah, it's
downloaded.
Sujata, you need to start that one.
126.
126. Is the installation done for Soumya and Pragya?
Um, are you asking about the VMware or?
VMware.
Yeah, VMware is done, and yeah,
Installation done?
installation is also done for the VMware.
Okay, good. Soumya, you too?
My yeah, my VMware is done. Installation is also done. I'm with the ISO image in downloading, but it is slow. Maybe my internet is slow. I think it is like more 5 minutes left for me to complete Windows 10 Pro ISO.
Okay. Okay, so it's still downloading, no?
Yeah.
How much more time it's gonna take? Can you click on the download icon? 15 minutes more. Oh, fine. So in the meantime, you share your screen, Pragya, so that I will help you.
I should stop sharing?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see my screen, the VMware?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So should I click on create a new virtual machine?
Okay. So what you have to do is um, you need to create a new folder in C drive. Let's go to the C drive of your machine.
Yeah, C drive. Yeah, there is. I have like kept the VMware here.
I think you have two monitors, no?
Yeah, I have connected to. Let me drag it to other monitor. So.
Okay. Now let's go to C drive.
Mhm.
Inside C drive, you have create a new folder called Intune.
Okay.
Inside C drive, go to C drive first.
So Intune.
Intune. Okay.
Mhm.
Inside Intune, create another folder that is WINVM001, capital letter, all capital. We are
So
going
it's
to create a new virtual machine, and the name of the machine is gonna be WINVM001. Okay, clear?
yep.
Now let's go back to your VMware Workstation Pro.
Mhm.
Hmm. Here we need to choose this option called create a new virtual machine, and then next. Now choose the last option. I will install the operating system later. Next. Now it is going to be the second option, Windows 10 x64. Next. Now the name of this machine is going to be cancel. Now the name of this machine is going to be WINVM001. Capital letter, all capital. WINVM001. And location, you need to browse the location to C drive and Intune folder. This PC, Intune folder, and then choose that folder, WINVM001. Yes, that folder, click OK. And next. Hard disk size, let's give 80 GB, 80. Next. Finish. How much
How
space
much
is,
space is
I'm getting background
getting
noise.
back?
So you are asking how much space do I have on my computer? Is that
Yes,
what you asked? So
this piece.
I think I have 807 GB free.
Good. Now go back to your VMware workstation thing.
Yeah.
Now we have configured the machine, but we have to do some more configuration here before we power on. Okay,
Yeah.
so we need to edit the virtual machine setting and give 4 GB RAM. Click on 4 GB. Okay, now the next thing is you need to go to options on the top. Now in option, you see the second one which says shared folder, the third one,
Mm-hmm.
sorry. We have to create one shared folder in this machine so that we will be able to do file transfer from laptop to this machine. Okay, so choose always enabled
Okay.
and choose check the box map as a network drive. Check the box and then choose C drive and Intune folder. Add, next, browse, C
C
Intune.
drive and the Intune
Intune.
folder. Or,
Yes, Intune folder. Okay, so this folder will be shared between the machines, both the machines, okay, so that you can do file transfer. Next and finish. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, finish. Now here we have to click on access control, which is saying not encrypted. We need to encrypt the device so that we can utilize the BitLocker feature on this machine. So
okay.
choose, click on encrypt and choose any password of your choice, anything of your choice. But make a note of this password, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Somewhere send it to yourself on WhatsApp that this is a VM password, virtual machine encryption password. This is your virtual machine encryption password.
Okay, and click on encrypt.
Encrypt. Then you have to go to advanced. And now in advanced, you have to choose. There is one thing already selected. As you see, UEFI is already selected below.
Yes.
Just below that, UEFI, below that, you have enable secure boots. Check that box. Yes. Why do we need to do that? We need to check this box, enable secure boot, so that we can upgrade this machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. That's a prerequisite, okay, for Windows 11. Now let's go back to hardware. Oh,
Yes, sir.
you closed it.
So I have to go back to the edit virtual options.
Edit virtual machine settings. Now you need to go to yeah, advanced. Okay, now go to hardware on the top. Now in this one, you need to go to CD DVDs. Click on CD DVD and choose use ISO image file and browse the ISO image file which you downloaded in C drive VMware folder.
Mine is sitting like I have created a VMware folder. So do you just want me to let it be here, or do you
No,
want me to
that's okay.
move this?
No,
Yeah.
that's okay. That's okay. Anywhere. So now one more thing. Wait a minute. One more thing we have to do is we need to add one hardware in this machine, and that is TPM. Click on add below, choose add, and the last option, trusted platform module. Why do we need that? We need it to encrypt the hard disk of the of this machine, virtual machine. We will enable BitLocker, and that will help us to encrypt the hard disk of this machine. Click on finish and then click OK. So basically we have assembled a new machine. Let's assume that we have assembled a new machine. We have given 4 GB of memory, 2 processor, then 80 GB hard disk space. Okay, various things we have done. Now we need to install operating system on this machine. Operating system Windows 10, right? We can also do Windows 11, that's not a problem, but we would like to install Windows 10 and then we will upgrade this machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11 through Intune. So in order to do that, we have to you need to power on this machine, but before you power on, understand the instruction first. When you power on this machine, within few seconds you will get a prompt. You will get a message, press any key to boot from CD DVD drive. Okay, you will get a message on your screen, press any key to boot from CD DVD drive. The moment you see that, you need to click inside. You need to click the inside the mouse. Using mouse, you need to click inside the black window and press any key on the keyboard quickly within few seconds without wasting any time. Okay, so let's click on power on. A new window will come. Now click inside, click OK. Uh, now, now click inside using mouse.
Yep.
And now press any key on the keyboard. Very good.
So your screen cannot be bigger because it is fonts are very small.
You can increase the screen yourself.
Mm.
On the top, you have option to increase the size. On the top, you have zoom option, or you can press control key on the
Yeah,
keyboard and use the scroller.
yeah, got it. The zoom option
Yes,
and
zoom option. Very good. Now click on I don't have a product key. Choose the second option, Windows 10 Pro. The second last. Go back. Second last. Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept the license terms and condition next and choose the second option, custom. And go next.
sir, meanwhile, should I install VMware?
VMware.
Yeah.
You have already installed VMware. You don't need to install VMware.
Okay, means configure.
No. Windows 10, have you downloaded?
Yes, it is completed.
Windows 10 ISO image file. Hmm?
Uh, in download, it is showing that Windows 10 Pro.
Hmm. Is that downloaded already?
Yes.
Share your screen. Okay. Pragnya, you don't have to log into the machine. Okay. Make sure you do not log in.
Sure. Yeah.
This is Windows 10 Pro.
Windows 10 Pro. Okay. Go back to VMware Workstation. It's already open. It's already open.
This is.
That is the one.
Mhm.
Now click on create a new virtual machine. Or give me control, it will be better. Give me control, please. Okay, so we have to build a new machine as we did on Pragna's computer. Same thing we are going to do it here. So I'm going to go next, and then I'll install the operating system later on. Next, and it's going to be Windows 10 x64. Next, and we'll name it as WINVM001. And we would like to create one folder in C drive. So I'll go to C drive. How much space is there in C drive? Let me see. C drive, okay, good space. Now we'll create one folder here, and the folder name is gonna be Intune, right? Intune. Inside this Intune folder, we'll create one more folder, and that's gonna be WINVM001. So our machine will be stored here, the virtual machine which we are creating, WINVM001. So the machine file will be stored here. Okay. Next. And we'll give 80 GB hard disk size. Okay. And next and finish. So the machine is now created, and we need to make some changes in this machine. So edit the virtual machine setting. And the first thing is virus database updated successfully. Okay. So first thing is we will give 4 GB of RAM to this machine. 4 GB. Second, we'll add the hard disk, the CD disk, the Windows 10, the one which you downloaded, so that we can build a new machine. So you just downloaded Windows 10 Pro. So I'll connect the disk here. So disk is connected here. Then in option, we'll go to shared folder and always enabled map network drive. All these things you don't have to do it in production environment. In companies, you never do all these things because you will have a different team for virtualization. They will give you the machine directly rather than you don't have to create any machine yourself. Okay, here we are doing it because we don't have any machine. Now, so I've given a network path, shared folder path, so that this folder will be shared in the virtual machine for file transfer from this machine, from your laptop to the virtual machine, from virtual machine to the laptop. Okay, then we need to encrypt the hard disk. Can you type in password of your choice? Anything of your choice. But make a note of the password. This is your encryption password.
Yeah.
Okay, so encrypt. Then we'll go to advanced, and then you enable secure boot, then hardware, and then we'll add TPM, the last one, and then finish. Okay, So this is how we build. I mean, we give details. We configure the hardware of the machine. Now we are going to install operating system of this machine. Operating system on this machine. So when we power on this machine, okay, the moment we power on, it will give you a message that press any key to boot from CD DVD drive. So when you see that message, you need to click inside this black window using mouse and press any key on the keyboard quickly within few seconds. Okay. So I just now click inside here, click left click, just left click in the middle, left click in the middle, and press any key. Keep pressing key. Yeah, press any key quickly. Very good. Click on next. To this. You can close this. Click on next. Install now. Choose I do not have a product key. Click on I do not have product key below.
Yeah, I clicked this.
Below.
I have, okay. I do not have a next.
No, you need to click on that. I do not have product key. Choose the second last option, Windows 10 Pro. Next. Check the box, I accept the license terms and condition. Choose the second option, custom. Next. Okay. This is how we build a new machine. Got it?
Yeah.
Pragnya, is that machine ready?
Yes, I'm at the selection, like the basically it's gonna ask you for
Hmm.
location, all this, right?
Okay.
So I'm at the location.
Share your screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's asking you to choose the location, right?
Yep.
Okay, but don't choose anything. Just right click on the machine name, which you have it on the top, WINVM001. Right click on the machine name and then choose a snapshot and choose take a snapshot and then type in blank machine in the name. Type in blank machine. So we are taking a snapshot for backup purpose. In case something goes wrong, we can come back to this stage again in the future.
Okay.
Okay. Click on take snapshot.
So should I proceed now with the keyboard and all of this?
Not needed. We can do it later on.
Okay.
Sir, how long it will take installing Windows?
10-15 minutes.
Okay.
Kashif, am I supposed to do something here or should I just wait?
Nothing is needed now. Okay.
Should I
Um,
stop my screen or
yeah, stop
this?
sharing. Samya, what is your status?
Yeah, I'll do it later, Kashif. Actually, my system is having so much of stuff like SQL Server and all those things. I was just cleaning up. My C drive is full. It's of 5 GB.
Okay.
Just give me some time. I'll install it. I know the procedure all. I'll do it and I'll install ISO image.
Kashif, I have just a quick question. I think, yeah, we are doing in the VM, right? So, does that mean that, like, I usually use my computer for my work as well, where like I get into VM, like company VM, and I do work there. And sometimes I also use my computer, like, for Intune Admin and all the portals I use from my computer itself. So. Will that make anything like because I'm using all this for my like practical purpose, right, at the moment? So is that okay?
Yeah, that is okay. You are using your personal computer, right?
Yes, I'm using my personal computer for my work as well, but they have allocated me a virtual machine where I have to like we do for VMware, right? So similarly, I also have virtual machine in one of the applications. So I just go and do my work in VM. But whereas my personal one, I just use admin console, like to get into multiple clients.
Uh,
I just use admin console from my laptop itself.
that's fine. So that laptop is your personal computer, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What about Sujata and Soumya? Are you guys using personal computer or
Yeah,
office
it's my it's my personal
Yeah,
computer.
it's a
personal?
personal computer.
Okay, that's okay. The only thing is, Pragnya, when you will be logging in to your Intune portals, right? You log into Intune portals on your personal device itself,
Yes,
right?
I do have like multiple client portals on my my laptop itself, like on web browser, like
Understood.
like Google Chrome and Edge. Yeah.
Okay, so you can do one thing like we will also be using Intune portal for our testing purpose, right?
Mhm.
So you will have to take a subscription, Intune subscription. So we have to segregate, what will happen in case if you make some changes in the production, you know, not realizing that you are on the production
My
environment. So
account. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
so either you logged out when you are
Mhm.
in the session, training session from your production environment, or you use only one browser for production environment. For example, Google Chrome for production
Mhm.
and Edge browser is for the
Yeah,
training.
maybe I think I will use incognito mode. Yeah. So.
Incognito mode. But while you are doing the training, do not open the production one, because if you make some changes there, it will create some problem. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. I understand. So yeah, that's why I just wanted to tell you before I do the things
So
here.
better you keep yourself logged out, okay, from the
Yeah.
production.
Okay.
Okay, so Soumya, you will do it later on.
Yeah,
Sujata,
I'll
you
do it.
share your screen.
Share it.
Okay. What is the status? It's recording stopped. Okay. Okay. So this is now still going on, right? Now let me
Yeah.
create one group. Okay, I'm gonna create one group, and the group Soumya. What is the 1 minute? Okay, so it's gonna be Intune hyphen December 2025 weekend session. It's gonna be 7 a.m. What is the time there, Pragnya?
So it's 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 7 p.m. Yeah, we are like 5.5 hours ahead to you to the Indian time.
Oh, you guys are Eastern Coast or Western Coast? Where?
Yeah, Eastern. It's like I'm not sure.
Okay. So
Yeah,
I
it's
just
Eastern Korea.
okay. So I have created one group. Okay,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
and I am going to add you guys in that WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, can I give you my other number because that number, like the one which is 516, it's not my number, it's my cousin's number. So can I give my number?
His name is Bharat.
Yes, yes, but yeah. So yeah, I'll
Uh,
I'll shortly send you a message. I'll
okay.
send you my number. So maybe you can add my number to that.
Okay.
Yeah, Kashif, I have sent you. Oh, looks like it's not delivering. I tried to send it to you on personal chat, but have you got my message, Kashif? Like, hi, Kashif, my number is. Have you got my message?
I just got hi Kashif. That's it.
Yeah, I sent my number as well. The second message looks like it's not delivered yet on my end too. So yeah.
Sir, I also sent my local number here.
Okay, you want that number to be added?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
looks like it is
now.
delivered on your end. Can you have a look and confirm?
I got it. 1 minute. So I will add. Okay, so that is done from the group. Okay, so your number is +61 421 uh, but you are from Australia, right? Sydney.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna save the number. Copy 7 a.m. and I sent you the invite. Okay.
Yeah, I just got it here.
Okay, so okay. What is your status, Sujata? Can you share the Windows 10 screen?
Yeah.
Windows 10, the virtual machine thing. Open that one, the right one. Hmm. Okay, so you are also on the same page. Very good. Now you need to take snapshot of this machine. Right click on this VM, WIN VM001, the machine name. Right click on the machine name. Choose a snapshot. Snapshot. And choose take a snapshot. What is a snapshot? It's like backup. We are taking a backup of this machine in case something goes wrong. We can come back to this stage anytime in the future. Take snapshot and type in, delete this snapshot 1 and type in blank machine. Oh, no. The name is snapshot 1, right? Delete that and type in blank
What?
machine. Type that in
Okay.
blank machine. This is a blank new machine. We haven't installed anything. We haven't logged in. This is a blank machine. Okay.
Blank new machine.
Anything blank new machine. Take snapshot. Okay. So we have completed the Windows 10 installation. Understood?
I'm done with my cleanup. Can I share the screen?
Hmm.
Can you see the screen?
Not yet. It's coming up. Now I can see the screen.
Okay. Shall I go with custom or typical?
I can't see that screen which you are showing. I just see this.
Okay, maybe I think I shared only one window. 1 minute, please. Entire screen. Now, I think you can see it.
Not yet. It's still did not come on my screen yet. Can you stop sharing and share again?
Okay.
Looks like you have slow internet connectivity.
I'm sorry. Yeah, today is little slow. I don't know. Now?
Not yet.
Okay.
I see the meeting screen wherein your name, Sujata, Pragna, and Kashif name is there. That's it. Now I was able to see. Yeah, now I can see this create virtual machine. Next. Choose I will install. Yeah, next. Choose Windows 10 is okay. Now next. Type in WINVM001, capital letter. WINVM001. WINVM001.
Sorry.
VM. Now browse. Click on browse. Go to this PC. This PC. C drive. Right click on C drive and create a new folder. Intune. Inside that, right click on Intune and create a new folder, and that is WINVM001. Windows. Okay, wait a minute. No, go back. I think you have not chosen it correctly. Next, next. Browse. Choose the correct folder, WINVM001. Yeah, next. 80 GB, 80. Next and not 800. You have given 800. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next and finish. Now edit virtual machine setting. Edit 4 GB RAM. 4096. 4096. Now click on options on the top and choose shared folder. Third one, always enabled. Check the box, map as a network drive. Add. Next, browse. Intune folder. Click on Intune. Okay. Next and finish. Wait. Now go to access control. Encrypt. Choose any password of your choice, but make a note of that password. Encrypt. Now go to advanced. And then you have to enable this secure boot just below UEFI. UEFI, you have enabled secure boot. Now click on hardware on the top. Hardware. Now choose CD DVD SATA and click on use ISO image file. Browse the Windows 10 image file which you downloaded already. Then go to add. Click on add. Last option, trusted platform module. Finish. Click on OK. Now power on this machine and you have to quickly click inside the machine and press any key on the keyboard. Click inside. Press any key. Very good. Next. Install now. I do not have a product key. Second last one. Next. I accept the license terms condition. Next. Second option, custom. Next. Okay. So when this machine is ready, it will ask you to choose the language and region, then you take the snapshot. You don't, you
Yeah.
know how to take a snapshot?
Yes, I know.
Okay, good. Now, Pragnya, you share your screen again.
Oh, is someone sharing the screen? Because I couldn't share the screen. Because when I try to share the screen, it's just
Soumya, you
popping me
will
out.
stop sharing.
I stopped the second you asked Pragna to share the screen.
Okay.
Can you see my screen? Because I'm sharing the screen, but I don't know, for some reason the screen is stopping all its own.
Okay.
Is someone sharing the screen? Because I think I can still see someone's screen is sharing on my end. I'm not sure whose screen is that, but yeah, I can still see a screen. I think, I don't know, but I can still see.
1 minute.
I can still see, like, a screen with Teams video. I think it's Soumya's one. I'm not sure because still on my end it shows her screen.
No, I stopped. I already stopped it.
Yeah, I understand. But yeah, on my end it's still showing your screen. It could be because of my screen. I don't know for some reason.
Okay, fine. Let me share my screen then. Let me know when you see my screen, guys. Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so what have we done in this session today is download the important files, right? Like VMware Workstation, Windows 10 ISO image file, then build a new Windows 10 virtual machine. Point number 5 is take snapshot. So we have done all these things. We have taken snapshot of the virtual machine. Point number 6 is purchase domain from GoDaddy. Now, what is domain, guys? Anyone know about domain? Hmm? What do you mean by domain?
I would say it's I would say it's website on the internet, like usually for a company, like it's a unique address that we can address it for a website.
Website, we can have a website on our domain. Domain is like your dominion, your brand name, your digital identity. Understood? Just like you opened up a shop. Let's say the shop name is um, Dell Computer Shop somewhere in Sydney, right? Now, if you have to make that shop digitally available, anyone can take a look on your website. They can take a look on Dell computers. They can simply go to www.dell.com and take a look what all things are available. So you have, what did you do? You basically created a website, and the website has a domain. Like Dell.com is a domain, Yahoo.com is a domain, Google.com is a domain. It's like a digital identity. Okay. So we need one domain. So each one of you, you need to take the cheapest domain, the domain which will cost you less than 150 rupees for 1 year, 150 rupees for 1 year, not more than that. So you need to go to GoDaddy page, godaddy.com. Okay. Or in Google, just type in GoDaddy. Okay. When you do that, you have this godaddy.com. So click on this GoDaddy thing, everyone. Now in this GoDaddy, you need to search your domain, which is uh, if that is available, then only you will be able to take it. If somebody has already taken it, then you cannot take it. For example, I type kashif.com, right? Kashif.com is somebody has already chosen it. As you see, kashif.com is not available, domain taken, not available. So somebody has already taken it. Now I'll scroll down and I would like to 1 rupee. You don't, this is like a trap. Okay. 1 rupee is gonna ask you for 1500 rupees. We don't want that one. Okay, so kashif.shop, maybe kashif.shop is available. Kashif.online. No, let me scroll up all the way and type in kashif.shop. Let's see if that is available or not. That is also taken. Okay. Um, Pragnya.shop. Okay. Let's see if that is available. Yes, that is available. You see, Pragnya. So
Yeah.
you can take any domain of your choice, but make sure you take the cheapest one. So it's gonna cost you 88 rupees, Indian rupees, 88 per year. For the first year, 88 rupees. Okay. So when you search your domain, so pragnya.shop is available, soumya.shop. If that is available, let me see. No, somebody has already taken it. Okay. So you try something else then. Okay. Uh, yeah, this one. Soumya, it has double A. Soumya A.shop. You can try this one. Okay. Then Sujata. Sujata.shop. Sujata.shop is not available, but let's see. Yes, Sujata.site is available. 89 rupees. Okay, 89 rupees. Or you can take Sujata Foods. No, Sujata dot online is okay. Sujata dot site is 89 rupees only. So when you find your domain, right? For example, I search again Pragnya dot shop. Suppose I am planning to take this domain. So I need to click on make it yours. Okay. And continue. When you continue, so it's gonna ask you for um, full domain protection. Okay. Choose no domain protection. We don't need any domain protection. Okay. Then no, nothing else is selected. Okay. So I'm gonna click on continue to cart. When I click on continue to cart, it's gonna ask you to sign in, log in. So you can choose Google account to log in. Okay, you have option to log in with Google account, right? Now, once you are logged in, you see I have something else which is also chosen. I'm gonna delete that one. Afroz Academy now. This one, Pragnya.shop is there, but it is gonna cost you 21,000. No, I'll choose only for 1 year. 1 year, how much will it cost? 88 rupees only. Okay, nothing else is selected. Nothing is selected. So 88 rupees for 1 year. and then you need to click on ready for checkout. Okay, clear, everyone?
Yes.
When you do ready for checkout, you choose UPI or credit card or debit card, net banking, anything. You can type in your UPI. For example, my UPI is Kashif Kaf at OKICICI, whatever it is. And I will simply click on review order, and I'll get a pop-up in my Google Pay. I will pay 125 rupees. And then this domain I'll be able to purchase. Okay, clear? Did you purchase anyone?
When I put search, it is showing in dollar.
Oh, Sujata?
Yeah, Sujata is speaking.
Dollar, how much? $1?
No, it is 99.99.
No, 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 no. You have to take the cheapest one. $1, maximum $1 or $2, maximum $2. Okay, not more than that. Find out the cheapest one. Don't take the expensive one, guys. Okay, Pragnya, what is your status?
Yeah, mine is
But
done, almost done. I'm just
but I
entering my
cannot
card
buy it from
details.
my Indian credit card, right? Sorry. Sorry to disturb you. Yeah.
You can buy it from Indian credit card or US credit card as long as the card is valid. You can do that.
Okay.
But make sure you take the cheapest one. That
1.99 Sujata.life.
1.99. Okay. 1.99 is how much? $2.
Yeah, but there is a Sujata dot site is 0.99.
So take that one.
Okay. For first year.
Okay. So get this done, domain purchase, and we'll meet on Saturday. Okay. I will send this notes to everyone in the WhatsApp group. Any question before we wrap it up? Hmm?
I think all good for my.
Yeah, same here.
Okay. We'll meet on Saturday. Bye now.
Bye. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kashif.
Thank you.